Hi everybody, and welcome to Ugly Dog Lures again. Not for the last time, I hope. Me and Melissa went and bought us a crappie fishing rig today. We're on our way home, and I decided to stop at the car wash and put a little rinsing out on it and what have you. So this is our new crappie fishing rig. Motor runs, we got a new trolling motor with it. Gonna be a fun little old boat. Hope she don't wreck it.
Why do I always get accused of wrecking it?
Well, we got some things to do to it. With a 2-cycle outboard Mercury on it. It's a 10 horse. So we're just gonna have some fun with it. I'm gonna rhino line all the inside of it where it's not so slick. We're just going to do it. Make it our own. Got this hook that guy gave me for them big fish. I don't think I'll need it for my crappie fishing. But yeah, this is our little boat. That we just bought a while ago. What it is, what it is. So. Mercury runs good. Probably go ahead and have the impellers and stuff changed to the bottom of it. Change the oil in it. Get it ready to roll. Got ducks all over it. That'll change soon enough. It's a 14-footer, what it is. Real tree. That's kind of what's fishing will start happening. The big boat, we've had to put that project off for a while. It's gonna have to have a lot. It's gonna take a whole lot of money to do it. It's gonna get done. It's not this year. Maybe by fall of next year we can get it took care of.
I like this one because I like the idea of pulling it behind the camper.
Yeah, this one we can even drag behind our camper. But it's a nice little boat. It didn't set us back a fortune. So that's all I got to say about it. I'm going to get busy, get it cleaned up a little bit here, and go from there. So you folks have a very blessed day, and we'll talk to you later.